Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about our next topic, that is transversal line. What does it mean, the transversal line and parallel line? A line that passes through the two lines in the same plane at the different points. Okay. So example, let's consider AB. AB is a one line. Okay, A and B is a one line, and C and D is another line. So AB line is parallel to CD. Okay, so AB, A and B and C and D is both parallel to each other. So when a line when this two parallel line, when another line intersect, okay, that line is called transversal line. Though this line which transverse the two parallel line, this is known as transversal line. Okay, this is known as transversal line. Okay, so and when this parallel line get crossed by a transversal line, many angles are formed. Okay, when these parallel lines get crossed by one line, that is transversal line, we can say. So when a parallel line get crossed by a transversal line, okay, this transversal line, many angles are formed. Many angles. You can see what are the angles are formed. Later we will discuss. See this angle, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. So total 8 angles form. Okay, how many angles? 8 angles are formed here. So when a parallel line get crossed by a transversal line, many angles are formed. Okay, so let's discuss one by one about the angles formed by a transversal line. Okay, so here I will repeat this diagram so that you can understand. Okay, so this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, and you can say here this is L. Okay, so angle 1, okay, angle 2, 3 and 4. Okay, here 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so you can see 1 and 2 it is outside the line, and 3 and 4 it's inside the line, inside this line. 5 and 6 is inside, and 7 and 8 is outside. So first angle formed by a transversal line is interior angle. What? Interior angle. By name you can judge that interior means inside. So what is inside this line? This is angle 3 and 4 is inside, angle 5 and angle 6 is inside, angle 7 and angle 8 is outside, angle 1 and 2 is outside. So this is outside and this is inside. So interior angle. So what are the interior angle? Angle 3 inside, angle 4 again inside, angle 5 and angle 6 is a interior angle. Inside these two parallel lines, what are the angle formed? The angle formed inside the lines, it is known as interior angle. This is angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 is a interior angle. Okay, so next what? That is exterior angle. Exterior means just opposite of interior, means outside. So what are the outside? That is angle 1, okay, angle 2 and angle 7 and angle 8. So exterior means outside the line. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. Okay, so third angle that is formed, that is pair of corresponding angle. pair of corresponding angle. Okay, this is me. So what do you mean by corresponding angle? Okay, see, to make them understand, I will draw this diagram. Okay, corresponding angle, pair of corresponding angle. Okay, so here we draw. Okay, and here we draw. Okay, so corresponding angle, this is 1 and this is 5. Corresponding, pair of corresponding, so angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5 is corresponding. Angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1 is corresponding to angle 5. Okay, so angle 2 here, angle 2 is corresponding to angle 6. Angle 2 and angle 6. Okay, now here what? This is 7 and this is 8. So here 3 and here 4. So angle 3 and angle 7. Angle 3 and angle 7. Okay, so angle 4 and angle 8. So these are all pair of corresponding angle. Angle 1 and angle 5 is corresponding to each other. Angle 2 and angle 6 is corresponding to each other. Angle 3 and angle 7 is corresponding to each other. Angle 4 and angle 8 is corresponding to each other. It is corresponding. Okay. Next, alternate interior. Alternate interior. Alternate interior. See the diagram. Alternate interior. Interior means, as already we discussed, interior means inside the line. So what are the inside angles? That is 3, 4 and 5, 6. So in alternate, not the corresponding. Corresponding means here. This is corresponding. This angle are corresponding to each other. Now it says alternate. Alternate. What do you mean by alternate? So interior alternate, not the exterior alternate. It says that interior alternate. So this one 3 and 5 and 4 and 6 you can say, but in alternate interior. So angle 3 is alternate to angle 6. Angle 3 and angle 6 is alternate. See, angle 3 and angle 6. This one. This is alternate. This is corresponding. And alternate, this is alternate. They are alternate. But in questions it says that alternate interior. So this is interior. So this interior is alternate to this interior. So angle 3 is alternate to angle 6. And angle 4 is alternate to angle 5. Angle 4 and angle 5. Angle 4 and angle 5 is alternate interior. Okay. Now alternate exterior. Alternate exterior. What are alternate exterior? Alternate exterior you can say that is angle 1 and angle 8. Angle 1 and angle 8. Okay. Angle 2 and angle 7. Okay. So this is alternate exterior. Okay. And at the last, pair of interior angle on the same side of transversal. What? Pair of interior angles on the same side. It says same side of the transversal. Okay, pair of interior angle on the same side of transversal, of the same side. See, angle 3 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 6. Okay, interior angle on the same side of, so what, angle 3 and angle 5 and angle 4 and angle 6. So these are all angle formed by the transversal when a two parallel line intersected by one line, that is known as transversal line, and so many angles formed by that transversal line. Okay, so what are the angle? That is interior angle, which is inside the lines, exterior angle outside the parallel lines, pair of corresponding angle, you can say this is corresponding, 1 and angle 5 is corresponding to each other. Okay, 2 and 6 is corresponding to each other. So angle, what are the angles that is corresponding? 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 8, they are all corresponding angle. Okay, this is known as corresponding, and alternate, this is alternate. Okay, opposite. Alternate interior, angle 3 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 6. Interior, not the exterior, 4 and 5. If it says exterior, then outside, angle 1 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 7. So at the last, the pair of interior angle on the same side of a transversal, that is angle 3 and angle 5 and angle 4 and angle 6. So hope you understand this video, that what do you mean by transversal line and what are the angles formed by a transversal line. Okay.